Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to check the status of a release or cycle. Um, so we are still in the demo project, and this is the release we created in the last tutorial, and we created two cycles here. So to check the status of a release, what you have to do, you have to select that release. Here we selected release 10.7, and on your right side you can see there are three tabs: one is details, status, and the attachments. So if you click the status tab, you can see you can check the status of different attributes that related to this release. So that means total days in release is 140 days, as a remaining is 140 because it's not started yet. It's gonna start from Monday, and the test instances is not added already in this release, so these are 0 now. And so you can see pretty much everything is now in zero, because it is not started yet. And so there is another tab you can see, says quality. So if you click that tab, and so you can, if even from here you can see how many defects are identified when you are executing your test cases. um, and also the opening rate, and the outstanding defects. So all information you can view from here. And in the progress, you can see the progress rate of this current release. You can see information about cycle level as well. Say, for example, if you select the cycle 1, on the cycle 1, same like release, on the right side you can see the two tabs available, actually four tabs: details, attachments, progress, and quality. So if you select progress, you can see what's the progress of this cycle, and other information about this cycle 1. So we have actually 16 days for this cycle 1, and it's not started yet. So pretty much like release, everything is now is 0. And from here you can also see the progress of your cycle, and you can also check the quality of this cycle, like how many defects are identified, and the opening rate of the defects. So these information are really useful information for project manager or test manager or other big business executive who wants to get a insight of the current release that people are working on. So this it's give them a complete overview of how things are going on. So there are some other release here. So if you select the earlier release, you can see these are like these days are already gone, is completed, though it is not all tests are completed. So but you can see, you can have a idea like how it will look when things will be done. And you will have a graph like this, so where you can see how things are progressing. And as I also said, in the quality section you can see the how the defects are coming up in that release. Same in the cycle level, you can see the defects rate, and the outstanding defects, how things are going. And you can also see the total days, and how things are progressing for that cycle. So this way you can get a very quick overview of the or a current release or cycle. And these are really useful information for project managers and test managers and other business executives. So you learned how to check the status of release and the cycle. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.